Hey guys, what is up? Basic Binky 973 here, and just wanted to let you know, guys, that we want to hit 50,000 likes or um, views or comments or no, not comments. But the prize is if you want to be the winner, then you gotta put your name in the comments below where I'm putting right now, and put your gamer tag in there, and I'll read it. I will read it, me, and yeah, and that's a prize, because we'll pull a name from the hat, and then whoever we pick up will be that winner. I will send a friend request to him, and then we will be able to give you, well, to, yeah, just that. So, yeah, like that, like that. And so, that is all I have to tell you, and goodbye.